Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to unmute someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the messenger icon from the top right corner. Choose the user you have muted to unmute. Now tap on the eye icon from the chat screen. Here you will see the two options under the notification section. Disable both options, and you will unmute the user you want on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to unmute someone on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.